By the end of this lesson, you learn inline elements and block elements. You learn how to use HTML link pages together and link sections together. And link section A to section 5 back to section B. Anyhow you want to link it, you learn how to link these things together. What are inline elements? Inline elements are elements that stand on the same line with each other. Examples of inline elements are view tag, strong, emphasis, span, image tag, anchor tag, among others. Let's have all these tags. Lauren 3, EN, Lauren 3, strong, Lauren 3. So let's go to the browser. You see, all of them are on the same line. Any tag, when you write two or more tags together and they are on the same line, just know that those tags are inline elements. Span tag is also an inline element. I have span, Lauren 3. Image tag 2, ing. Okay, let's see what we have. You can see the image tag is also on the same line with this element to show that it's also an inline element. We have other tags which we've not discussed, but we're going to be discussing them later. One of those tags is anchor tag. Anchor tag is used for linking. So I can say link me to intro.html intro. I'll simply say home here. So let's go back. You see, it's still on the same line with all of this. All these elements are inline elements. Do not worry about this one. That will be what next thing you're going to be doing, linking, HTML linking. Now we have block elements. These are elements that do not stand on the same line with any other element. While inline element takes only the width of the content, block element takes the full width available to it. That's why it doesn't accept any other element on the same line with it. Examples. These are the examples of block elements. All the heading tags are block elements, starting from H1 to H2. Paragraph 1. Div. We've not really done this. But divs, sections, main, another one, they are containers for holding elements. I'll still come to this. Then we have li and form. We'll still trace this. But all of these are block elements and many other ones which we've not done. They do not stand on the same line with any other element. I have H1, Lauren 4. I'll have another H2, Lauren 3. So let's go to the browser. You see, these two H elements, they are not on the same line with each other. Now, if I should give it style, let me give it background color. So I'll just say style, background color, red, style, background color, blue. You see, the color starts from here, not considering that the content ends here. It started from here to the end of the screen. So that is why it doesn't allow any other element to be on the same line with it, because it takes the full width available to it. Other block elements we have are paragraph tags, 100. So I'll have another paragraph, 100. Coming back to the phrase, you see the two paragraphs. This ends here, and this one started here. Of course, we already know that paragraph always starts in new line. So these are major block elements we have. Now, let me discuss us containers that hold elements now. For list and form, I will not discuss it now until the topic comes up, the next topic that will be coming up. All HTML container elements are block elements. We call them containers because they are used to contain other elements. Other elements are placed into them. For example, already know that U is an inline element. But once I have this div and place U inside it, well, 3, I can still place strong, Lauren 4. I can place as many items as possible inside it. Now, if I have main here, main is a container that holds elements. Let me take the whole of this and put inside. Without this main and div wrapping this U and strong, these two lines are meant to be on the same line when you display them. But because of this div holding them, and this main holding them, they will not be on the same line. So this is what we have. You see them being on separate lines with each other. That's why you say that all these elements are block elements. Wherever you're using them, consider them block elements. When creating a web page, you can use this container to sectionalize your page. You can have header. On the header, you have navigation bar, navbar, or simply say div and say div dot navbar. Okay, let me not go to dot since we've not done class. We are going to that. Well, we'll come to that in CSS. So here you can have your navigation bar. Inside navigation bar, add all the links that will be on the header. Then you can have section. On the section, you can have the paragraph tags as many as possible on the section. 100. Now on the header, instead of leaving it empty, you can actually have H1 or H2 here. But right? Coming after the section, you can have the footer. Okay. Here you add the copyright information and any other additional information you want to add about the web page. Now on the section, you can have as many subsections as possible. You can have as many subsections, meaning that on the section you can have other divs here. So I'll just remove this. I'm going to have div here. Put paragraph. After this div, I'll have another div. You see this? Of course, on the section, you can have images too. Add your image tag here. Right. Add image. You add subsection. So you may decide to add H2 or H3. I'll do the same. Okay. So coming to the browser, you see, this is the last section, the section I just added. I gave you this subsection, image, gave it 2 divs. Inside each div, we have paragraph tags inside each of them. Then we have the ending tag, the footer. We'll stop here for inline and block elements. Now, you have an assessment to do for me. This is your assessment. Please kindly do this exercise because it will help you to get better. So first of all, list 6 inline elements in HTML and 6 block elements in HTML. Of course, you are free to go out and research, not just the ones we do. Then create a blog post with H2 inside header tab, image, then P inside div, then you have your P inside footer. So I just want you to use the containers I just showed you to create a post. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to do linking, HTML linking, but I don't want this video to be too long for you to watch. So I'm going to, in next class, we'll do HTML linking.